We wanted to work with Volvo Penta because they came to us with a working electrical driveline using tried and tested components.
The electric RoRo tractor is quite a success because it lives up to expectations and drivers are very fond of them. There is much more comfort in it due to the noise. We need to have a very fast turnaround time and the electrical tractor will help us reaching that.
Testing has gone much better than was expected, and after 2 days on site we were able to hand it over to the drivers. The experience working with Volvo Penta has been really great. They have been hands-on during development, production and testing.
The Volvo Penta electric driveline is a good fit for the tractor because of the 100% torque availability, making sure for a very high maneuverability also in challenging conditions.
We are very impressed with the performance that this first full electric RoRo tractor has shown here, and we're really looking forward to continue our cooperation with Volvo Penta.